everyone, welcome to my channel. So I come with a new video that is really very surprising to you also and for me also. I can say I hope you are doing great, all the peoples, and I can say that I am also doing great. So the purpose of making this video is that I just want to share you all the peoples that how we can improve our communication skills. Most of the peoples I have from them that they are telling to us we are fearing, we are hesitating a lot, and we are not able to speak very well English language. So how we can improve ourselves? What are the tips through which we can easily go to speak very well English language? So I can say we should not fear about all those things. We are humans, we can make mistakes. It's really possible that we will make mistakes, but we have to do the correction for that and have to follow some tips. If we will follow some tips, then definitely we can improve our communication skill and can speak really very great English language. So I just wanted to share to all the guys that how to improve their communication skills. There are some tips. If they will follow like this tip, then definitely they can speak very well English language. So first of all, for improving their English language, they should have to follow, I can say they should practice English language on the regular basis, because if they will speak or if they will practice on the regular basis, then they can see a good result in themselves that they are able to speak very well English language. Because I have also seen these examples in myself. Because I can say that when my examination was going on, before the examination I was doing the practice, and when my examination was going on at the time I was not focusing on for practice English language in the Skype applications, and after completing my examination I started to practice English language to have the conversation with the people. So at the time I was not able to speak very well English language like before I was speaking. So at the time I have only observed that there is needed a regular practice for improving our communication skills, or if we want a good result in ourselves that we are able to speak very well English language, so for that there is necessary a regular practice. So for the beginners one or one who has started to learn this language, for that I am just telling to them that if they will follow if they will speak, if they will practice, or if they will command on the English language on the regular basis, then definitely they can speak very well English language. The second tips I can give to you all the guys is that you should follow the LSRW, because I can say the people one who has started to learn this language, they have to do a lots of hard work, and if they will do the hard works behind speaking English language, then only they can see a good result in themselves. So that's why for that also there is needed LSRW. If they will follow the LSRW, then definitely they can see a good result in themselves that they are able to speak very well English language. I can say these four pillars like listening, speaking, reading and writing. These four pillars is really very great. I can say you should command on this four pillar, then definitely you can see a good result in you able to speak very well English language. Firstly, the source of listening is from the social media. From the social media you can listen to stories, cartoons, English. You have to listen only in the English language, news, anything you just wanted to listen, you have to listen in the English. After listening all those things, you have to focus on the speaking part. So after completing your listening part, whatever you have listened, all those things in the English, like stories, English stories, cartoons, anything you have heard, anything you have listened, you have to just keep in your mind that whatever I have listened, I have to express all those things. I have to speak in front of mirror, in front of camera, whatever you are getting, like in front of mirror, whatever you are getting, cameras, anything you are getting, you have to express all those things in front of them. So whatever you have listened, all those things, English stories, cartoon, whatever you have listened, you have to express all those things in front of mirror. Then you can see at the time that I am not able to speak very well English language, you will gonna to get stuck at that time. But you don't have to fear all those things. This is only called the fear. So we have to overcome of that. For that there is necessary a practice. So that's why guys I just wanted to tell to you that there is needed four pillars is really very great. Listening, speaking. After speaking you can command on the reading part. Like whatever you are getting, magazine, newspapers, English story books, anything you are getting, you have to just read all those things. Because if you read more books, then more idea will come that what we have to express, what you have to speak in front of anybody, more vocabulary will come in your mind and can express very well English language in front of anybody. So there is needed reading also. If you are getting anything, books, magazine, newspaper, anything you are getting in English, then you have to read all those things. And if you are not getting the meaning of that, you can underline and you can search in the Google or social media, through which you can really gonna to get the help from them also. So at the last I just want to tell you, you should also command on the writing part. like whatever you have listened, whatever you have speak, whatever you have read. So you have to write all those things in the diaries, copy where you are just getting the source. You have to write all those things, because if you will write all those things, then you can see that more the thoughts will come. That what I have to write. By writing also you can to get the help to improve your communication skills. So guys, I can say that the first tips is that you have to do the practice on the regular basis, and the other thing I just wanted to tell that follow the LSRW, and the third thing is that whatever the source you are getting to speak in the social medias, like whatever you are getting the applications like Skype, Camly, anything you are getting the applications, then you should have to do the practice in the video call conversation. Because if you want to speak in the video call conversation, then you can see anything, your fearness, your hesitations, all those things you can see, gesture, posture, how I am speaking, how our eye contact is, we can see all those things. So there is also necessary to speak in video call conversation. If you will speak in the video call, then you can see all those things and can really improve your communication skill. So like I can say guys, these are only the tips. If you will follow, then definitely you can improve your communication skill. So I will meet in the next video. Bye.